Hey there, Auto Rangers family! Welcome back to Auto Rangers Car, your home for the latest and greatest car reviews. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the stunning 2025 Aston Martin DB12, a super tourer that redefines performance and luxury. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting car content. Exterior design. The 2025 DB12 stays true to Aston Martin's heritage but adds a modern, aggressive look. The larger signature grille, sleek LED matrix headlights, and sculpted body create a commanding presence. The 22-inch forged alloy wheels, muscular stance, and elegant curves make it one of the most beautiful GT cars on the road. At the rear, slim LED taillights, an active rear spoiler, and dual exhausts complete its breathtaking design. Interior VE comfort. Step inside, and the DB12 welcomes you with an ultra-luxurious cabin featuring hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber trims, and Alcantara finishes. The centerpiece is a 10.25-inch high-resolution touchscreen with Aston Martin's latest infotainment system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay via Android Auto. A 15-speaker Bowers VE Wilkins sound system, ambient lighting, and customizable driving modes add to the high-end experience. The sport seats are both heated and ventilated, ensuring maximum comfort on every journey. Performance, speed VE engine. Under the hood, the 2025 DB12 packs a 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 from Mercedes-AMG, producing 671 HP and 800 Nm of torque. This super tourer rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.5 seconds, with a top speed of 325 km/h. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, the DB12 delivers a thrilling and precise driving experience, enhanced by adaptive dampers and an improved chassis for better cornering stability. Ownership VE pricing. Aston Martin, a legendary British luxury car manufacturer, produces the DB12 as part of its next-generation lineup. The 2025 DB12 starts at around $245,000, with higher trims and customizations pushing it beyond $300,000. In India, expect a price range between 4.5 Indian rupees crore to 5.5 Indian rupees crore, making it one of the most exclusive GT cars available. Conclusion. So, Auto Rangers family, the 2025 Aston Martin DB12 is the ultimate blend of luxury, speed, and elegance. Would you take this beauty for a spin? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Rangers Car for more amazing car reviews. Until next time, keep riding in style.